Does your garage need a high-quality OBD scanner to serve customers better? If you run a garage and want to know more about OBD scanners, then tune in and let us tell you about GaragePro, the most garage-friendly scanner there is. GaragePro can be used by any garage anywhere, on any car. It lets you scan all modules in a car and helps you serve your customers faster and better. All you need to do is plug the GaragePro OBD scanner in the car and start your GaragePro software. Pair with the OBD once and you're all set to go. Click on Scan Your Car and enter the car's details. This lets you keep a record of every car that you scan and retrieve this information for your customers. GaragePro then automatically starts scanning all the systems of your car and reads fault codes from each. Once scanned, the codes are shown to you in the app and also in a PDF that can be viewed in the app and also in your email inbox. Gone are the days when you needed to search the meaning of each code on the internet. All you need to do is open GaragePro. Apart from scanning, GaragePro also offers you various special functions. These include Injector Coding, Throttle Reset, ABS bleeding, and more. At any time, if you need help with using the app or have doubts about the codes in a car, you can reach our team over email, phone, or WhatsApp. Our team of automobile engineers will be glad to assist you. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us now and get your GaragePro OBD. Your customers are waiting.